Okay, so the aim of the game is to save as much money as possible on printer paper. We've got a document here, so what we'll do is go to print, and up pops the dialog box. We will then press setup, continue, go to preferences and make sure that we've ticked layout manager. Once we've done that, we'll press OK, print and print again, and then slowly it will bring up the layout manager screen. It will then bring up the document we're printing and show it where it's going to be assigned on the printed paper. We can then go to our next document and press print. Same as before, we can then press setup, continue, preferences, check that the layout manager is ticked again, then press OK, print and print. This then brings the new print onto the layout manager screen, as we can now see here. We can click whichever one and move it about so we can edge it closer to the first print out, thus saving paper. We can then go back to Illustrator or whatever the document is, pick the document, press print, again press setup, continue, preferences, check out the layout manager is ticked, then we can press OK, print, print. This then brings this third document onto the layout manager screen. If we click it, we can then move it closer to the other printouts, thus saving space. We've now got space on the right hand side, so we can go back to software. In this case, what I'll do is I'll just print another version of that just to show you. We already know it's been ticked on layout manager, and we'll press print. Because the size of the paper it's being printed on doesn't fit, it's below, but what we can do is click on it and drag it up to the rest and just put it where we want it to print. And there we've got 4 documents ready to be printed. Another way we can save paper is we can rotate printouts to save space. So for this example, I'll rotate the first image. It's now rotated at 90 degrees, and then the 3 other documents I can slowly edge across, which means we've got 4 on perfectly, and it doesn't waste space lengthwise. So that's how we save paper. I'm only going to print out 3, so I'll take that second airport design away and I'll print, and then you'll see how it prints on the paper. But hopefully you get an idea over time by doing it and printing several things at once and laying it out correctly, you will save lots of paper over time, and it will build up to hundreds and hundreds of pounds. I hope you found that useful. If you would like me to go in a bit more detail, a bit slower, please let me know. Please like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you again soon.